Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start now by verifying essentials. Sign into the exact Microsoft account tied to the license and make sure Windows plus Office are updated. Once done, open Excel and go to File right arrow account to read the product state. That tells you whether Excel sees a license. If Excel shows a different account, sign out and sign back in with the correct credentials. Make sure your connection is stable, because activation needs a live network call to Microsoft. Once you have the right account, run Office Quick Repair from Control Panel. If that fails, run Online Repair. It reinstalls activation files. Next, open an elevated command prompt and run OSP. VBS commands to list installed product keys and remove orphaned ones. This resolves many volume VS retail mismatches. Also verify system date/time and clear any conflicting credentials in Credential Manager. Make sure you run commands as administrator, because permission issues often block activation changes. You now re-enter the valid product key or sign back into your licensed account to force reactivation. Go to File right arrow account, right arrow change license if needed. If reactivation still fails, uninstall Office completely and reinstall from your Microsoft account portal to restore clean activation files. Finally, if problems persist, clear saved credentials, remove secondary Microsoft accounts that might confuse activation, and always run Repair Tools as administrator. One key tip: try signing into Office using an incognito.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.